How to add the Samsung Health Daily Activity widget to the lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold. Now tap on Wallpaper and Style. After that, tap on the left hand side panel. Then in here, I'm going to delete the old widget. And then from the list of widgets, we go down and tap on Samsung Health. In here, you can select a small size widget or a large size widget. I'm going to select the large daily activity widget. And here, say tap on the widget to get started. So tap on done first, then tap on the home button. After that, tap on the side button to lock the screen. Now on the lock screen, tap on get started, tap on the widget to get started. Here, you can tap on the start button. And from here, you can follow your on-screen information and set up your Samsung Health, because I haven't opened up this app before, so it asked me to set it up before I can use it. And here you can choose what you want with this particular app, and then tap on next, then tap on start. Here say allow access to alarms and reminders, so tap on settings and allow permission, and then tap on OK. And that's it. Tap on the home button now. So if I go to my lock screen now, I can view my Samsung Health information directly on my lock screen. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.